Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your wishlist on AliExpress application. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete wishlist on AliExpress, firstly go ahead and open up your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress application will appear on the screen. Tap on an account button at the bottom of the page. On the next page, scroll down and you'll see your AliExpress wishlist right next to history option. The products you have added to wishlist will appear on the wishlist section. Click on view all option. Now all you need to do is click on pen icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tick mark on the box right next to the listed products or items you want to delete and tap on delete option. Confirm deletion of items from wishlist by clicking on delete once again. This is how you can delete wishlist on AliExpress application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.